Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below.
Here are the ingredients. 2 cans of tuna and water, drained, 2 stalks of lemongrass, finely sliced, 2 tablespoons of shallots, thinly sliced, 1/4 cup of white onion, diced in small pieces, 10 pieces of cherry tomatoes, thinly sliced, 1/4 cup of spring onions, thinly sliced, 1/2 cup of cilantro, chopped, a handful of roasted cashew nuts, chopped, lettuce for serving, 2 tablespoons of Thai chili paste, 3 1/2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 1/2 tablespoons of fish sauce, a tablespoon of honey, and a teaspoon of dried chili flakes. In a mixing bowl, combine honey and Thai chili paste and stir to dissolve the chili paste. Add the fish sauce, lime juice, and dried chili flakes. Mix well. You can also use finely chopped fresh chilies or no chili at all, it's up to you. Although I highly recommend adding chili because this salad tastes even better with a little bit of spicy flavor. And that is it, the salad dressing is done. Let's make the salad. In a large bowl, add tuna, lemongrass, shallots, spring onions, white onion, tomatoes, and cilantro. Pour the salad dressing into the bowl and mix well. By the way, feel free to use any kind of tomatoes available in your kitchen. I personally like cherry tomatoes for this recipe because it looks pretty. You can also use a teaspoon of granulated sugar or chopped palm sugar instead of honey if it's not available. I like my salad real spicy, so I'm adding a little bit more of chili flakes. And again, this is totally optional. Stir one last time. Transfer into a serving plate and sprinkle the top with chopped roasted cashew nuts. Roasted peanuts or almonds are also great toppings for added crunch. Tuna salad and lettuce wrap is a great meal if you're craving for something healthy yet super tasty and savory. I like to serve this salad with sliced fresh cucumber and steamed sweet corn on the side. This salad is so addicting, you're gonna love it. Serve immediately, and as always, enjoy!
Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat? Get Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Keto. Click the link in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.